Okay, Gigi, we're good to go. Oh, I'm sorry, yeah, that's okay. All right, go ahead, yep. Okay, I'm on the screen, go ahead, there we go.
Okay, good morning, class. We're the Northwind Traders. We're located on 123 Woodlawn Street, Vienna, Massachusetts, and our website is northwindtraders.com. My name is Gigi. I'm the team manager. We have Kervin, the design consultant, and Stephanie and Lori are the information consultants. As a team manager, I make sure that everybody is on track with what they're doing and they're able to get their signed clients satisfied by the given deadline. Kervin, as a design consultant, he comes up with the best solutions for the business's IT software. And Stephanie and Lori, as the information consultants, they make sure that the public understands what services we provide as well as how we go about it. Our company determines the revenue from each order filled in the last year and summarizes the revenue figures by product category. We are the CIT Consulting Group. We are a group of IT specialists who work with diverse companies and in the state of Massachusetts. Our mission is to help companies run smoothly by providing IT support for the wellness of any company. For our project, we will update the criterion, sort and filter tables, compact, repair, and backup databases. We create queries, we run queries, and we also do operation.
Okay, so this is an unupdated revenue sample. We have to fix the criteria for the revenue of the company. And then this is the updated revenue. This is the results after updating the criteria. This is sorting and filtering table. And the outcome, this is the outcome of sorting and filtering the table. You have to sort the criteria to exclude the month of June and only leave the month of May. And this is an unaltered report. And this is an altered report.
Okay, so this is for this part, like the company that we're working for, like Northwind Traders, they were going to have like a presentation, so they asked us to provide them a card for a visual for the company. So those next slides are going to be what we did for before we were able to create the card. So this is like for the part of the database that we are working. So that's what we need to work on before we create the card. And now we need the card, like they needed the card to show like the presentation for like review for a customer for 1 month. That was the last name. That was the last name of the customer. They need for the last name with for Noel, like the revenue for the month. So over there we have like the last name for and the revenue for the month and the sum of revenue. And yeah, so but something that before we create the card, we were supposed to work on the pivot table first, because we cannot create the card without the pivot table. So that's where we are going to work on before we were able to create the card. So we only need the last name for Noel for the revenue of the month. So over there our last name was checked, so we would uncheck everything and left only Noel. And we specify like the same thing that we specify the data for. We need that on the pivot table. And for the same thing, again, we have to. Yeah. Okay, and then after that, we were able to have the card like this for the month of for revenue of the month for Noel. As you can see, this is Noel over there, which is the yellow back on the card. That's it.
That's it. As a small international specialty foods distribution firm, we sell products as a variety different categories such as beverage and condiments. We have updated the customer record and have moved all the order from the Scandinavian country, Sweden, Norway, and Denmark to another table. This movement of the table will provide faster query response times. This is our table database append for the query for the three countries, that's Sweden, Denmark, and Norway. It was on USA, so like we had to change it to, it was on USA and UK, and then they asked us to do it as three different countries. That's the table for Sweden, so we had to append it for only Sweden because they asked us to do three different tables. That's the Norway append UK customer query. As the manager, Gigi has decided to spend our current product list of several new suppliers to see if we can lower the cost of our products. We have created several output formats for the product list so the new supplier can receive the information is under several formats which include Excel, Word, PDF, and Access. That's our database. For the query, that's how much money we spend, like in a beverage and condiment, so we're gonna need for the budget. That's a word exploitations for the table, so you can see all the beverage, how much money we use, and then how many condiments we use. As you can see, that's the Excel and the PTS exploitation. So you can see like all the beverage we sell, and then if those are false, and then so we correct it in the next page.
At Northwind Traders, we provide specialty foods and businesses around the world. We have decided to find a way to process more orders efficiently. We have filtered the orders form so each employee can see only his or her orders, and we have also filtered a report using an SQL statement. This is the filtered, unfiltered orders. You can see at the bottom it tells you which is filtered and which is unfiltered. The whole point of this was to create filtered buttons, and then the last button, which is the X, was an unfiltered button, so each employee can see each order that was assigned to them, so we can do everything quicker as a company. This is a filter report with the SQL, and basically all of the we basically filtered all the countries in Germany into one, so all the orders could be on one report. And in conclusion, the CIT consulting company nurtures the IT needs of each individual company. We strive to create IT software that best suits any type of business and provide excellent customer support and service. Thank you for listening.
Very nice job, guys. Very, very nice job. Good slides, good presentation, good camaraderie.
What does that mean?
Well, you know, you work well together. Camaraderie, comrades, camaraderie. Okay, you guys ready to go? Yeah. Nice job. Nice job. The learn and earn positions for the fall are not on the website yet, but they will be this week. So, keep your eye on the website. I'll let you know as soon as I see it. But the learn and earn positions this fall, there's some nice ones that I've seen already. They're not out there yet.
I wish I could get one in a hotel.
They did, they have the
I would
Fidelity.
have got one for this semester, but I didn't know I was going to school.
Fidelity has, Fidelity owns the Seaport hotels. In fact, we had a hospitality student that did an internship at Fidelity at the Seaport Hotel for event planning. So the first thing they say to her, she goes to the internship and they say, do you know Excel? All of the budgets, all of the lists, everything that they do for as far as outreach and event planning is all done in Excel. And she's hospitality major. She did fine. She did good. She was at the student debriefing. So all of these office skills are really way more important now than they've ever been. Okay, you guys ready, Odell? Jason, you ready to go?
Not yet. Next.
Do you mind if I do? No, not right now.
Okay, so don't forget to take the last exam, okay?
Is it open already?
Yeah, I've been open since like last.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
been
it's
open for a
open.
long time.
Yeah, it's
I'll
open.
take it tonight.
It's open, yeah, yeah, take it. If you can take it on Thursday if you want. If you wanna come Thursday, you can take it Thursday.
But is it only
Do I have to
until,
come here Thursday?
No,
is it only until 9 something that we can take it, or the whole day?
oh, no, it's open until, I'll check it when
It's
they're done, but,
Thursday, until Thursday.
yeah. Okay, Musi, ready?
Oh,
Marguerite?
were you gonna open the test for the
Yeah,
2, 3, 4?
9 and 10.
No. You said you were gonna reopen it again, so we can retake it.
Well, I have to delete the grade first. What are the grades?
Not good. The one from here, I'm okay. One from the other class, it's because I took the test like way after I did the practice.
I'm gonna miss you.
You gonna miss it?
Yeah. You know what's up, every day.
I know. That's what I'm saying, you're gonna miss it.
It's been a long time, I don't see you. Each group gonna have 5 points less. Because you guys are late.
No, you're looking for somebody else right now.
What I sent, right?
It's still looking for
What are you
somebody.
taking next semester, G?
Sure, it's fine. They're looking for a front officer, so
What's your major?
basically,
Business management.
it's like from 3 to 11.
No,
You should apply.
That's all I have to say. Cause everything else is pretty
So
much.
easy.
You
I
transferred.
just have to,
Yeah,
yeah,
union.
I just have to retake math because I did horrible on my, so I can take the test and then see where I place, and that's pretty much it.
You'll be all right. They have 3 developmental math courses now, you know. 093, 094, 097, that's
I
like,
said for 9.7, I got an A minus.
I need to
I
take
was
a
so
181.
happy.
and they don't count toward graduation. They're not transferable.
Yes.
So why do I have to take it?
I take it to the good college level, that's
That's,
why.
but here's the thing, I suck at math, but I'm passing accounting, I have an A.
Oh, I know.
I
We
have a
don't have
question.
any, we have no math prerequisites in any of the computer courses except intro to computer science.
No.
Just
Does
no,
it-
there's no math prerequisites.
Does it make sense to fit, to
What-
like
what-
get your degree
No.
in December and graduate in May?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm not graduating just because of math. I already have my degree,
you have your degree?
yeah. So what's the point? I don't know. Everybody kept telling me to walk.
All right, let's go, guys, we're ready. We're gonna go, what you got?
Yeah, we got a meal in
Oh, good.
January.
Okay, that's all right, just keep in touch.
I already know it.
The guidelines are out there, how many credits were they saying?
Let me turn off my alarm.
Did you get those credits transferred from Rockford? Why not?
Juste d'abord faire le devoir.
Oh, yes.
This girl, she was like, I
They
take it.
charge you to transfer the credit?
I'm like,
How come? She never passed.
that's
That's why you're gonna be there for
She
it?
was like, she does everything for free, and then they have 9 credits. I was like, oh my god.
What?
She been here like 5 or 7 years. She's still not.
Jason, we ready? I'm ready.
Alright, guys.
Yeah, this one is better.
That's how it is. Yes, because that's money you was wasting. You wasted time.
But it's not 450
I don't like that.
on the book.
And the book on that cheap. That's the point.
Double bill.
I was like,